Imagine waking up tomorrow in an America that's completely transformed by AI. Not in 10 years, tomorrow. That's exactly what the Trump administration's new AI action plan is aiming for. But here's the thing, while everyone's talking about it, nobody's telling you what's actually hidden in the details. I've spent the last few days analyzing every page of this plan, and what I found might surprise you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, business owner, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, this breakdown is going to show you exactly what's coming. Now, before we dive into the details, let's understand what makes this plan different from anything we've seen before. First, it's aggressive. We're not talking about gentle guidance or suggestions. This is a full force push to dominate global AI. Second, it's comprehensive. From your smartphone to national security, this plan touches everything. Third, and this is crucial, it's controversial. Some are calling it visionary, others reckless. By the end of the video, you'll understand why both sides might be right. But here's what everyone agrees on. This plan will change how AI develops in America and globally. Let's break down exactly how. There are three main pillars to this document. Pillar 1 is about accelerating innovation. They're essentially removing the speed limits on AI development. So think of it like this. If AI development was a road for your car, they're removing the speed limits and all the traffic lights. But here's a question to ponder. Were those traffic lights put there for a reason? But let's talk about the key impacts. Faster AI product launches, more startups entering the market, potential risk from reduced oversights. Pillar 2 is building American AI infrastructure. This is where things get really interesting. They're not just building, they're rebuilding America's entire tech backbone. The plan includes fast-tracking data center construction, boosting domestic chip production, modernizing power grids. My prediction is this could create the biggest tech job boom we've seen in decades. Pillar 3 is all about international AI leadership. This isn't just about technology, it's about power. The plan aims to make American AI the global standard. It could create a new kind of digital Iron Curtain. Now, there's a few things about this document that's raising eyebrows. The first thing is the deregulation gamble. So removing climate change considerations, scaling back diversity requirements, and limiting state-level AI restrictions. The second part is a China factor, aggressive export controls, technology containment strategies, potential global market fragmentation. And lastly, the environmental question. AI requires massive computer power. Data centers need enormous amounts of energy. The plan prioritizes speed over sustainability. So that is quite a huge red flag. So let's consider how this affects different groups. So for students and job seekers, massive increase in AI-related jobs, new training programs and opportunity, changed skill requirements. For business owners, they'll have easier access to AI tools, reduced regulatory burden, and new competitive pressures. For everyone like you and me, faster AI integration in daily life, changed privacy landscape, and new security considerations. In conclusion, this plan is like strapping rocket boosters to American AI development. It could put the US firmly in the lead of the global AI race, but it also comes with real, huge risks. The question isn't whether this will change things. It's whether we're ready for how fast those changes will come. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about AI. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Do you think this aggressive approach to AI is what America needs right now? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. You're amazing. Take care, and as always, be kind to each other.